How to add flags in Facebook profile picture. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add flags in Facebook profile picture. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top left side of the screen. And now here, once you are in your profile section, just tap on the profile picture from your profile icon. And now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on this option that says choose profile picture. And now from here, you can simply select your profile picture. And now here on the preview section there at the bottom there, you can see add frame option. So simply tap on it. And now here, once you are inside the profile frames, there at the top you'll see several options at the tab. So from there you simply have to tap on flags. And now here, under the flags, you can simply choose any flags that you would like to add, or you can simply tap on the search bar at the top, and from there you can simply search for your country name. And once you have searched for it, just tap on the frame that you want to add, and after that you can simply adjust your photo inside the frame if needed. And once you're done with it, you simply have to tap on save. And you can also select how long you want the frame to stay for, like 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, or permanently. And with that, once you complete all this process, your Facebook profile picture will now show the flag frame. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.